With the upgraded Venturi injectors now in stock at DIYcoldplunge.com, I wanted to do a side-by-side suction test between the old Venturi infiltration build and the new Venturi infiltration build. And as you can see, I already started the old build suction footage here. The main difference between the two is there are barbed fittings on the edges of the new one, so you can either use flexible spa hose or vinyl tubing to attach it. It gets rid of the need for the female adapter here and the use of thread tape. I know a lot of people have seen drips from their builds at this point, and hopefully that'll eliminate it. Let me know what questions you guys have, and obviously you can see that the new build absolutely destroys the old one on the suction test. That went a lot faster.